Hey, good morning. Brian Winstead here. I wanted to come to you and just take a few minutes to talk about our new product. So today we are forced to wear face masks everywhere we go. You see the ones that are big and bulky around your neck or around your face. You can't breathe. Or it smears your makeup for the ladies out there. Or it's uncomfortable and you feel like you're suffocating every day. Well, I have a new product that might change a lot of that. I want to introduce you to the breathable face mask. So it has to be worn with a traditional cloth mask, but let me tell you, since I've gotten it, it has been amazing. So one of the things, you can see the design right here. It is plastic, so it's easy to clean. It's very comfortable. It's easy to use. Just slap it on, put the cloth over it. I will demonstrate it here in a second. No more trying to catch your breath because it encapsulates your mouth and your nose. You can breathe freely while you're in the mask. No more pulling it away, trying to get a breath just because you can't feel it, right? One of the biggest things is ergonomic design. You can see right here, you can look at it, you can see it fits your face, it fits your nose. It incorporates the whole area. Also, it protects you from makeup, less cleanup. It's easy to clean. You can wipe off with a Lysol wipe, or you can spray it down and clean it up real easy with bleach or whatever you want to use. It is 3D support. You're going to see that here in a second. It also protects no more taking on and off to talk. How many times, like right now, I have to take it off to see you guys and be able to hear you guys. So it takes away a lot of that. If you look at it here, if you look at the little camera here, you can see right here. It is very economic. You just put it right over your mouth and your nose. Slide your mask over top of it. And it's as easy as that. And you can see I can still breathe, very normal. It still protects. The mask is still covering it. But you can hear me really clearly. So this is going to take off. This is the new product. It's not very expensive. It is very affordable. I suggest you go and get yours today. We will be out there with more information on the table outside. I appreciate you guys coming. Thank you so much.